Okay, I will be doing another song. Okay, and I want you to be here. Okay, I'll just sing a song for you. It's a Tagalog song. It's halik. You know halik?
No, I don't.
It's kiss. Kiss. Handali. Puro kakalibugan. I will sing a song and it's titled Halik in the Philippines, but when you translate halik, it's kiss.
Okay.
That's okay? Okay, it's okay. Once I'll be doing the song, then once I say the word halik, you need to do that to me. Halik. It's just a vessel, like a kiss here, or which part of my body is okay. Because once I say the word halik and you don't do that, I will touch any part of your body. Okay? That's the deal, okay? You have the punishment.